4. The ages of 8 members of a chess club were 28, 15, 60, 39, 47, 31, 24 and 32. Find the median. Hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the most, but wait, there's one more. The range is the difference between. So if I'm looking at the median, okay, I've got to put them in order from smallest to biggest. So first number would be 15. Next is 24. So I've used 15, I've used 24. Then there's a 28, which I've used. There's a 31, which I've used. There's a 32, which I've used. The next one is 39. The next one is 47. And the last one is 60. So when I'm looking for the middle number now, I'll tick off the first with the last, the second with the last but 1, the third with the last but 2. So I'm left with 31, add 32. So it's the middle of 31 and 32. Alright, you can either just look at it and do it by inspection, or if you add up the two numbers, 31 add 32 is 63, and then you divide it by 2. So 63 divided by 2 is 31.5. Or you may be able to just tell that 31.5 is in the middle of 31 and 32. Right, the range is the biggest take away smallest. So it's the biggest take away smallest, which becomes 60, take away 15, which is 45. And to find the mean, you add them all up and divide by how many they are. So I'll be doing 15, add 24, I'm going to use my list from in order, add 28, add 31, add 32, add 39, add 47, add 60. So this will find the total. So I'm looking at 15 plus 24 plus 28 plus 31 plus 32, checking the screens there's no typing errors, plus 39 plus 47 plus 60, and that comes up to 276, and I'm dividing it by 8. So 276 divided by 8 is 34.5. I divided by 8 because there were 8 numbers there, so you divide by how many numbers there are. A new member age 31 joins the club. What will happen to the mean? Tick the appropriate box. Right, because someone is 31 and joining, alright, they're younger than the average age of the people there. So because they're younger than the average age, which is 34.5, the whole mean of the group will drop, because this 31 will bring the age down. So the mean will decrease. Alright, and you can say the new member is younger than the mean of the rest of them. So new mean will be lower. Question 5. Find the mean daily rainfall for the 10 days. To find the mean of this table here, you have to go to the midpoints. The mean of 4.5 and 5.5 is 5. The mean of 5.5 and 6.5 is 6. The mean of 6.5 and 7.5 is 7. The mean of 7.5 and 8.5 is 8. And the mean of 8.5 and 9.5 is 9. So to find it, so that is going to be the midpoint. What we need to do now is, with the mean, is the total divided by how many numbers there are. Okay? So total divided by the number of days in this case. So the total I have to work out what these are. We're assuming 4 days have got 5 millimeters. So 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 0 is 7. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to be adding these up. 20, 32, 42, 48, 58, 66. and you divide them by how many days there are. 4, 6, 8, 10. So the mean would be 66 divided by 10, which is 6.6. Question 6. Water is poured into an empty rectangular tank of length 15 centimeters, width 10 centimeters, and height 12 centimeters until the tank is full. Calculate the volume in litres of the water in the tank. Right, to find the volume of a cuboid, it's length times width times height. So in terms of this one, it's going to be 15 times 10 times 12. So 15 times 10 times 12 is 1,800. So the volume is 1,800 centimeters cubed. But 1 centimeter cubed is equal to a milliliter. So this means the volume is 1,800 milliliters. And then to change that into liters is 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So you're doing 1,800 divided by 1,000, which is 1.8. So the answer there is 1.8 liters.